Hi everyone, the last video was on a really powerful Stoic way of living, Amor Fati, and in today's video, let's take a brief look at another powerful teaching of Stoics, Memento Mori. Well, what is Memento Mori and why is it potentially a life-changing perspective to anything that we do in our lives? The answer lies in its meaning. Memento Mori is a Latin phrase that translates to remember that you will die. In the world we live in, which is so fraught with distractions and so susceptible to a feeling of lowness and dissatisfaction, it is really easy to forget the fragility of life. Let's face it, we are not going to be around forever. So what are the things that you truly want to do in your life? And if you are indeed pushing those out for some reason or the other, is that even worth it? Remember that you will die, and a lot of things seem to fall into place. If tomorrow is going to be my last day on this planet, what is it that I would like to do today? Lie down and watch a movie in Amazon Prime? Open Myntra and add dresses and shoes to the cart? Learn a new skill in Skillshare or spend a good couple of hours in the gym? The answer could be and would be different for most of us. For me, it would definitely be going to the gym. And whatever is that go-to for each one of us, it is important we incorporate that in our daily lives and prioritize it as if our life depends upon it, if that indeed brings us immense joy and sense of fulfillment. Interestingly, Memento Mori has a cascading impact on all aspects of our lives. At work, we are happier if we are generally happier in life, and that usually translates to greater productivity and better outcomes. In our relationships too, since Memento Mori reminds us that our time on this planet is indeed limited and we must use it to build meaningful relationships without consciously hurting or holding grudges against another person. This could be any stakeholder in your life, your spouse, parents, kids, friends, co-workers, bosses, clients, and the most important stakeholder of all, yourself. You can do a reaffirmation first thing every morning and tell yourself, remember you must die, and let that determine what you do within yourself and outside. Give it a try, and I will see you in the next video.